Bangalore 28 February, at India's biggest wood and panel exhibition platform, a major innovation has just redefined product authenticity in the engineered wood industry. India's largest engineered wood panel manufacturer, Action TESA, has officially unveiled an industry-first invisible security feature called TESA Inside. This revolutionary feature is designed to combat counterfeiting and ensure complete product authenticity. What makes TESA Inside unique is that it remains invisible under normal lighting conditions. It becomes visible only under UV light, allowing customers, dealers, architects, and partners to instantly verify whether a panel is original. With this innovation, Action TESA has introduced a new level of trust, transparency, and technological advancement into the wood panel industry. Currently launched in the Prelam series, TESA Inside will soon be extended to the Plain series as well, ensuring wider product coverage and stronger brand protection. In an industry where authenticity directly impacts quality, durability, and safety, this invisible security mark is not just a feature, it is a powerful statement. A statement that reinforces the company's commitment to innovation and customer confidence. Speaking on the occasion, Managing Director Ajay Agrawal emphasized that TESA Inside is more than just a technical advancement. According to him, it is a symbol of trust, a mark that assures customers they are investing in genuine products backed by uncompromised quality and transparency. Alongside this landmark innovation, Action TESA also made another significant announcement at IndiaWood 2026. The company revealed plans to establish a new manufacturing unit in Rambilli Mandal, Vishakhapatnam district. This strategic expansion aims to cater to the rapidly growing demand across South India. The new facility is expected to strengthen market reach, improve supply efficiency, and create substantial local employment opportunities. With South India emerging as a key growth market in the construction and interior solutions sector, this move reflects the company's long-term expansion strategy. It is not merely about increasing production capacity, it is about building stronger regional connections and supporting local economic development. Adding further excitement at the expo, the company also showcased its Studio on Wheels 3.0. This mobile experience center attracted thousands of visitors, offering architects, designers, and business partners a hands-on interaction with the brand's latest product innovations. From invisible authentication technology to strategic expansion and immersive product experiences, Action TESA's announcements at IndiaWood 2026 clearly indicate one direction.
TESA Inside in this exhibition. We've already spoken about our 5 pillars, our 5 core values, our 5 wonders of TESA, because they are all unique. Nobody could have thought of it, nobody could have replicated it, and we are the only ones. I thank media to be here to support us fully. Thank all my channel partners. Thanks for the exhibition. Exhibition is also not a ground to just showcase the product. It's a ground to share our feelings, share our ideas, network with each other, and do brainstorm about what we can do to grow this wood panel industry.
Sir, what is the specialty of TESA? Why you called it TESA comparing to other?
So, why TESA is called Koi Nahi Aisa is, I have already explained, but Koi Nahi Aisa is a name that has been given by you all to us because we believe in transparency, we believe in giving quality products, we believe in making connections, we believe our intelligence that we give innovative new products. So, koi nahi aisa.
TESA works in all climatic conditions, because in some climatic
No. Our product is good for all the climate because we have moisture resistant chemicals that we have put in. We have termite resistance chemicals that we have put in. So it's usable all over. In fact, our HDHMR was a super hit. First in Kerala, which is the most humid state of our country. वहाँ पर सबसे पहले ये हिट हुआ, अब तो ये पूरे देश में हिट हुआ है। तो आपके क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए ये हर ज्योग्राफी में, हर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन में फिट प्रोडक्ट है।
फाइनल और सर
तो टेसा इनसाइड हमारा एक और पिलर है एंड टेसा इनसाइड अलाउज यू टू ऑथेंटिकेट योर एक्शन टेसा प्रोडक्ट इवन व्हेन वी सेल आवर प्री लैमिनेटेड बोर्ड्स। तो क्या होता है कि टुडे इफ़ यू बाय फर्नीचर यू हैव नो वे टू गेट टू नो कि इस फर्नीचर में एक्शन टेसा लगा है नहीं लगा। बाहर से इट ऑल लुक्स गुड बट व्हाट्स ऑन द इनसाइड यू नेवर नो। तो एक्शन टेसा का ये टेसा इनसाइड जो है हमारा वो लाइट अगर टॉर्च ये इससे आप ऐसे कर आप टॉर्च मारकर ऑथेंटिकेट कर सकते हो कि क्या ये बोर्ड एक्शन टेसा से बना है कि नहीं बना है। और जब आपको ये पता चलेगा कि आपका एक्शन टेसा से बोर्ड बना है तो आपके जो फर्नीचर मैन्युफैक्चरर्स है they will also be able to sell their furniture at a higher price because they'll be able to prove that their furniture is made from Action Tesa, and this will benefit the customer also because the customer will also know that okay, what I am buying is Action Tesa, so he will be willing to pay that extra price that the furniture manufacturer is asking of him
because of the originality also.
My name's Krish. Yeah.